Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Dork side. It is I, your friendly neighborhood dork on the road, and today I'm setting off on my first solo moto camping adventure. That's right ladies and gentlemen, this will be my first solo moto camping adventure here with the Kawasaki Versys, and as you can see she's all loaded up. Got my Walmart dry bag, tent, and 2 saddlebags. Hard case is really full of gear, along with my backpack. I'm sure I brought more than I need, and I'm also sure I've forgotten things that I need, but the plan is to head up towards Clear Lake, Subtle Lake area. I don't have a reserved campsite right now, so kind of stupid on a Friday, which is why I'm leaving this early. And worst case, I figure we come back and, camp in the backyard or something, so get a nice long ride out of it. So the plan is to go up early and give it a shot and see what happens. So this trip will be, as I said, my first solo moto camping. It's also going to be the longest, I think, the farthest from home I've ever ridden my bike. I've definitely done more miles around the valley, but I've never ridden up into the mountains and back. So should be a pretty cool adventure. I'm pretty excited about it, and I'm hoping to take you guys along. So sit back, relax, and enjoy what I hope is a relatively smooth and uneventful camping trip. Although knowing me, that's probably not going to be the case. Hey guys, welcome back. So we are well on our way. There is Foster Lake. I missed the big shot, didn't turn my camera on in time, but stopped for lunch in Sweet Home. So we're probably 40 miles from home and another hour from our destination, well, the first destination of the several we're going to check to see if we can find a camping spot. And so far, what's up, buddy? Things are going well. Bike's handling fine with the extra weight. I did tighten the suspension down just 1 notch. It's about what I do when the kid's on the back. I assume this gear weighs about as much as she does. Stopped for lunch at McDonald's. So had a nice Hawaiian punch to try to hydrate up. Chicken sandwich, and there was a hornet just buzzing around inside McDonald's trying to get out the window. So unfortunately he kept coming a little close to my table, like literally sitting where the other person would be in a chair, banging up against the window. So I had to smash him with a napkin. Sorry, R.I.P. Mr. Hornet. Just wanted some McNuggets. Having a good time. Looking forward to some nice twisties, because everything to this point has been 5-lane highway and stoplights in the city. So we're finally getting into some decent roads, as you can see. See how hard we can push it with the extra weight. And we'll see how the 650 does going uphill with my fat ass and all my camping gear on it. Going up over the pass should be interesting. So I've driven this pass many times, never ridden it. Well, I've ridden it up to the campground, but up to Cascadia is as high as I've ever been. So this is we're going significantly farther today. So it should be fun. Thanks for coming along with me. I'm really hoping to find a spot. Killing a few bugs, as you can see from the windscreen. Traffic's not too bad. It is a Friday, but it's noon, so I'm really hoping to get up there before it gets crazy. And I hope it isn't bad tomorrow coming home, because I'll probably come home honestly first thing in the morning. Get up, pack up, stand up full, yeah right, no, get up, pack up, come home. So we'll see. So I just wanted to check in with y'all. I'll get back with you when we get a little closer to the campground. Peace. Hey y'all, we're about, I don't know, 35 miles up. Getting real high in the mountains, getting some real good twisties, some decent views. The clouds are kind of covering up things a little bit. I wasn't expecting. Had a real great view there a second ago. I need a new seat for this thing. I'm just uncomfortable. That, and I haven't really built up the endurance, but seat concept, something like that. We're going to do longer rides. Also losing some weight would help, but makes your bike faster too. The cheapest performance mod there is. Lose a few pounds. Well, I was hoping for some sweeping scenic vistas. Instead, all we're getting is the rear of this slow guy's Ford Exploder Expedition. Killing me, slow guy. What are the odds of me finding a campsite tonight? What do you think? Well, one campground I think has 5 or 6, and there's another one that has many, like 18 or 19. So it is 4th of July weekend. The 4th of July was Wednesday, so I'm kind of hoping that doesn't factor in too much. You could get over. Nope, you're a dick. Okay. I just love going 40 miles an hour up here. Awesome. Thanks, lady. You're super great at driving. You make it fun. And of course, it's always the way, but I caught this lady at the end of the last passing lane, which means it's a while before there's another one. We get to enjoy each other's company for a while. I know that thing will go faster than this. It's funny, I've probably had off camera 5 people move over to let me by coming up here, and I don't think I'm riding their asses super hard, although I do have a tendency to do that. I just think people know that when you're on a bike you can go faster than them and they just let you by, I guess. Super polite. Oregon drivers aren't generally that polite, but they must, I don't know, it's instinct. They just see you and know they're definitely holding you back. So, and my point is, most people seem to get it. This lady has no clue. She didn't get the memo. I'm not saying everybody should get out of my way, but it would take you 5 seconds to get over in this lane and let me by. I can pass you, you wouldn't even have to slow down. Nope, not gonna do it. Are you gonna approach the speed limit on this relatively straight stretch, or is that outside the realm of possibility? There's a good view for you. Some nice views up here, guys. Nice views. There's definitely now a guy pulling a trailer. It's that Tundra that got over for me. He's a nice fella. He's been hauling ass if he's already caught us. It's impressive pulling a trailer. Of course, Tundras are awesome, I know, because I have one. Ford drivers are jerks. Believe it or not, I used to be a lot more aggressive of a driver. I've tried to calm down somewhat. I don't go with my first instinct. I wait till someone's an asshole long enough to piss me off, and then I go with it. Tombstone. Here we are. We're at the summit. Could have pulled over there. Nah. Pulling over? That's for douchebags. Letting people by, being cool? Nah. Not me. I drive a Ford. Wow, this going downhill is rough on the old quadriceps. Alright, I'll get back with y'all in a bit. Alright, just turned off Highway 20 onto 126 Mackenzie Highway. It's a little bit different scenery. You see all the lava beds, or the lava rock. Big lava flow in through here. Clear Lake is just down here on the left. 4 miles or so. Yeah, look at this cool lava. It's bitchin'. Fish Lake, right. Cool. Well, that might be worth exploring if I find a campsite out here. Set up. Fish Lake is ironically named because it's dried up. You can kind of see it over there. Nomas Lake. Yeah, there it is. See it? It's pretty though. Pretty. We're in a Clear Lake, but we're not going to the resort. We're going to Coldwater Cove. That is weird what that guy's doing. We're going to come back to the resort to buy stuff because I don't think they have anything in Coldwater. That is if we find a spot at Coldwater Cove. But it is farther down. Clear Lake, however, has cabins that you can rent. They're not cheap, but they're open year round, so my wife and I want to come up here in the winter in the snow and stay in a cabin. I think that'd be awesome. Coldwater Cove campground right here. Oh, look at the river. Ooh. Okay, baby. Was not expecting to stop that quickly. Alright, here we are at Coldwater Cove. Let's hope. They don't have many non-reservable spots, so let's hope that 1 or 2 open. There's the lake, you guys. There's the lake. That's what we came to see. If it's not here, then we're going to go up to Subtle Lake, which is another 10 or 15 miles. Cool, huh? I see the resort. Alright, well, that one's empty. Where's the board? Where does one pay? These sites are really far apart, which is awesome. I'd like to be on the lakeside, but I'm not going to be super choosy. That one's open. This one's lakeside. It's open, I think. Where's the board? Well, I saw 3 empty sites on the way in. As much as I'd like to be by the water, I feel like coming up here without a reservation, that's going to be unlikely. Oh, this lava though, guys. That's cool. This is a big campground. I'm impressed. Did the reserve sites say so? Yes. Okay. Alright, that's helpful, which means the ones on the way in were not reserved. Yeah. Oh man, look at all this. I want to camp, I don't want a boat. Cool campground though. Okay, so the little clippy clips. Is there a spot there? Yeah. Bad shit. Although, it's not on the lake, so I'd rather be on the other side where I'm by myself. Alright, so I got 3 choices, or I go to Soda Lake. This one is más secluded. Alright, this one's shadier. We do have neighbors, but they're not very close. I don't know where the bathroom is. Okay, way better potential hammock spots. Alright, well, I'm getting ready to take off and go explore a little bit, but real quick, here's the camp. This is site 3. Got my old Walmart tent set up, fire pit. My hammock is back there. Got my Trekology chair, my mess kit, flip-flops when I get back, my rain fly all ready to go in case it gets a little chilly. Oh, and there's the Versys, ready to go on an adventure. So let's go see what we can find. Camp's all set up. Got some firewood being delivered. We'll see. It's supposed to be here already. But yeah, let's go explore.